In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack to create a newsletter. We'll walk through the whole process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to get started, what to click, and what to focus on as you create your own publication. First, open your web browser and head over to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type "How to use Substack to create newsletter" and hit enter. This is a simple way to pull up helpful resources about Substack, including guides, tutorials, and of course the main Substack site itself. Take a moment to glance at the search results so you get a sense of what's available and how other people are using Substack. From the search results, look for the official Substack link. It will usually mention creating a newsletter or starting a publication. Click that link to go directly to the Substack homepage. If you don't see it right away, you can also type substack.com directly into the address bar and press enter. Once you're on the Substack site, you'll typically see an option to get started or create your publication. If you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to sign up with your email address and a password. Go ahead and create your account, or log in if you've used Substack before. After you're signed in, Substack will guide you through setting up your newsletter. You'll choose a name for your publication, which is what your readers will see in their inbox. Try to pick something clear and memorable that reflects what your newsletter is about. You can usually add a short description as well, which helps new visitors quickly understand the value of subscribing. Next, you'll be taken into your dashboard, where you can start creating your first post. Look for a button that says something like New Post or Write. Clicking that will open the editor. Here, you can write your content, format headings, add links, and make your newsletter easy to read. Take your time to craft a clear subject line and opening paragraph, since these are what your readers will see first. When you're happy with your draft, you'll have the option to preview it. Use the preview to check spacing, links, and overall flow. If everything looks good, choose whether you want to send it immediately or schedule it for later. Then hit publish. That's the basic process for using Substack to create a newsletter, from the initial search all the way to sending your first issue.